Stand with feet shoulder width apart, hands facing away from you, with your barbell under your chin in the ready position. Inhale, tighten your core, glutes, and back to create a firm foundation to press from. Exhale and push the barbell overhead until arms are fully extended. Avoid leaning back. Achieve straightened arms with your gaze elevated. Inhale, lowering the barbell back to starting position with control, and repeat with good form through program repetitions. The standing barbell press is an amazing exercise which challenges your core as well as your shoulders, and it's really difficult to keep excellent posture during this movement. So I've got a barbell and I've got gravity. Let's get into it. In the barbell shoulder press, it's so important to keep a firm foundation so that your core is strong, your glutes are engaged, and everything is solid so that when you push up, there's no give in the rest of the body. Notice how Katie is keeping a firm core and a strong foundation, so all the work's happening in her shoulders and her arms. The other thing you'll notice is Katie's not performing a push press or a jerk. She's not using her legs to power up the movement, and she's not jumping into the movement either. She's keeping it all in her upper body. She's doing a great job of it. Nice work, Katie.